These little birds running from the incoming tide are called sanderlings. When the tide comes in, they run toward the shore, and when the tide goes out, they quickly follow. They rapidly peck at the crustaceans exposed on the beach. It's a constant tug of war with the tide every day. Sanderlings are small birds from the family Scolopatidae, typically around 8 inches in size. During spring, they gather in flocks and fly to areas near the Arctic to mate and lay eggs. They are often found along coastal beaches, feeding on crustaceans. When the tide covers the beach, the crustaceans take the opportunity to emerge from the sand to feed, but as the tide retreats, they quickly bury themselves again. Some of the slower ones become prey for the sanderlings. For these birds, the feeding window is very brief. On one hand, the small creatures quickly burrow back into the sand, and on the other hand, the next wave of tide is already on its way. So, the sanderlings' feeding process is both frantic and short-lived, sometimes consuming more energy than they actually